So today we're going to be talking about different mortgages. So, really depending, like if you're a first-time home buyer or if, this is your third home, you kind of have been around the block, you know what it is to pay the mortgage. With mortgages, you can also have your taxes and insurance included in the mortgage so that you make one payment and your taxes get paid. The bank will pay them when they're due, so you don't have to really remember. Now, if you are diligent and, you have an account and you put that money away every month, if you know that you're going to make the payment and you're not worried about spending that money, I would pay my property taxes separate because you don't have to give more money to the bank, and you can have it with you, and then when it's time to pay your your taxes, you can have that paid. So that's something that you can decide when you have mortgages. Today, there's so many different mortgages. With rates being the way they are right now, I would definitely do a 30-year fixed. Now, maybe because of the rates are so good and you've had the house for a while and you're refinancing, maybe now you want to do a 15-year mortgage. Or if you're disciplined, if you can talk to your mortgage broker, maybe you do a 10-year ARM. Usually people refinance or move, 5 to 7 years. So sometimes people don't want to do a 30-year. So let's say you do a 10-year ARM right now. I don't know, maybe they're probably in the 2s, right? So maybe you can even do an interest-only payment. So your monthly payment will be less. However, what I like to do, and I tell people, at the end of the year, you make extra payments, it brings down the principal. So you're actually bringing down your mortgage payment probably faster than if you were paying a principal and interest loan, because who's kidding who? How much principal are you paying off in the first 5 years? So those are some tips for you. You want to make sure that when you're talking to a mortgage broker, you ask them, what are your programs? What kind of different programs do I qualify for? People with these adjustables, you just want to make sure that you understand what you're doing. If you don't understand, the payment and the best way to utilize that program, then probably a 30-year fixed, simple, loan is the best for you. But give us a call. The Toledos are here to help you with anything. We have great lenders that we use. So we can, we're always here to answer questions.